Alright, Algebra 1ers, how are we doing? Moving on to 2-7, solving proportions. Something you've seen before. This should be pretty easy for you. Our essential question here is, how can you solve a proportion to find an unknown quantity? You've seen it before. How to cross products. Okay? I wrote two examples here and then I'll show you one. If you have 7 over 8 equal to m over 12 and you have to solve for m, cross multiply. 7 times 12 equals 8 times m. You've got a multiplication problem here, 8 times m. We undo the multiplication by division. Whatever you're multiplying by, you divide by. 7 times 12 is 84, divided by 8 is 10.5. That's your m. Real simple. We kick it up a notch here and we start throwing in some expressions. B minus 8 over 5 equals B plus 3 over 4. Okay, those are B's. Let me dress that up a little bit for you. We want to solve for the B. Okay? So the things to remember, when you multiply cross products here, it's 4 times the B minus 8, not just 4 times B. You got to distribute the 4 to both of these. Some of you are still making that mistake and forgetting the second number, or you're even forgetting the sign. Don't forget the sign. That's 4 times B, and 4 times a negative 8 gives us a minus 32. 5 times the B plus 3, you're going to distribute that also. Don't forget that. So you get 5B plus 15. We got variables on both sides. We've been working with this for the last week. I want to subtract my 4B over, so I end up with a positive 1B. We want to do that first, okay? You could subtract the 5, but then you just have to deal with negatives, and we struggle with that, so let's try not to get ourselves in that situation. So we bring down our negative 32 because the b's canceled here. 5b minus 4b is 1b, plus the 15. We've got addition to our b, so we undo that by subtracting the 15 over. B is negative 47. Okay? Let's look at an application of this. 8 ounces of orange juice contain 97 milligrams of vitamin C. 12 ounces of orange juice contain how much vitamin C? You got more than one way to do this. I'm going to set it up this way, and I'm going to highlight by saying I'm going to talk about the number of ounces over the amount of vitamin C. Okay, that's how I'm going to set mine up. You could say ounces of one over ounces of the other, and then stay vitamin C over vitamin C. I'm going to do it this way. So I have 8 ounces is 97 milligrams. 12 ounces is how much vitamin C. Okay? And then just solve it. Once you set it up, it's a cross multiplication problem. We're going to get 8C out of that. 97 times 12. Okay, 97 times 12. I'm going to go old school on you here. 4, 1 to carry, that's 19. 0, 7, 9, 4, 6, 1,064. Okay? Now we have a multiplication problem with our 8 times C, so we're going to divide by the 8. Whoops. What's C going to equal? Hey, who needs a calculator? We go in there one time, subtract it. 26, we go in 3 times. 24, subtract it, we get 2, 4, and we go in another 33. So it's 133 milligrams of vitamin C in 12 ounces. So that's an application of it. We're going to do both these types of problems in class, just doing the cross multiplication and then setting up on some application. Get these notes down, look them over, look through your book, replay this if you have to, and then get ready for tomorrow. We'll start looking at some examples of this. All right, look forward to seeing you then. Have a good one. Bye.